Hello and welcome. Today we have a look at the memory I got for my new computer. The HyperX Predator sounds like it's a dangerous animal, but it's just some metal and plastic. This is DDR4 3200 MHz, 16 GB and 2 sticks. And here, if you want to read whatever, the case came a bit squashed, a bit pressed, but it's okay, should be alright. Sashimi knife unboxing. As usual, this thing doesn't work the first time. And watch the hand. That was lucky. Almost got it. As this is the first time I'm opening this box, and it's for a long time I didn't change any RAM or got any new computer parts. I don't know how to actually open this box. There is something on the other side, one more seal, security seal. So a second attempt with the sashimi knife. Yeah, that was much smoother, much better. Alright, let's have a look at the actual memory modules. They come in this pretty nice package, and it's nice to look at. I mean, it's just memory, it's nothing really interesting, but this is how they look like when you receive them. This is just an unboxing. I will show you how to install them in a future video. There is this padding, some cushioning for the RAM modules so they're not damaged in any way. They're pretty well packed, I have to say. And let's have a look. Let's open this package and see how they actually look like from close.
I could wait another night, one more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be.
They feel pretty heavy, so this heatsink is actually solid. And there's some information about the module. You can read it here. It's what I could find on this Speed 3200 on 16 gig size. Smell test. Smells like fresh electronics. This is metal, aluminium probably, aluminium. Yeah, that definitely sounds like metal. I'm not sure if it's really aluminium or if it's something else, but it's good. That means good heat dissipation. So you get a sticker also, which is pretty pointless, but if you like stickers, you have it, and some instructions and warranties and disclaimers. Infinite warranty. I'm pretty sure it has warranty until the end of the world, but there is a disclaimer as usual, right? I didn't read it, so I can't say for sure. These memory modules will go into my new computer, and I hope they work, first of all. And second, I hope they work at the speed they say, 3200. This is the Kingston, I think is the brand of Kingston, so that's a pretty known manufacturer. And this is what I have. Maybe I could have gotten something better. Let me know in the comments below if there were other better modules to use with the Ryzen 7 3700X. But this is what I have, so I'm gonna try to use these ones. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Make sure to subscribe to see the actual installation of the RAM and other interesting videos on this channel. Let me know in the comments below if you have this RAM or if you have other RAM and how they work and how you find them. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.